Thinking of going on a camping trip? Read this. When you go camping, you need the proper equipment to be fully prepared. There is affordable camping equipment out there, and this video will show you what it is and how to find it. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. Purchase a quality tent. It can be tempting to score a good deal on a tent, but you want to find something that can hold both you, your family members, and your belongings. Try visiting a store that specializes in outdoor gear. They tend to have well-made products that will last for a while. Particularly, if you have children, you need to consider what to do if you have inclement weather one day. Gather together a few supplies to have on hand in case you need to stay in your tent. Bring a board game, Play-Doh, and art supplies. Don't let your family members touch these items until it rains so that they don't lose their appeal. Make sure to pack plenty of extra clothing for your children. Camping can be dirty. Kids love to play in dirt. Expect them to be all shades of dirty as the day moves on. Know that you must accept that fact, but have a change of clothing for them so they can be comfortable. It is important to be prepared. The next time you decide to go on a camping trip, don't be fooled by all of the ads and sales jargon by stores and companies. Don't be suckered into breaking the bank in order to buy camping equipment. Use this video to get the reliable and affordable camping equipment you need and have fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.